Hello. A lot of people come and tell me that these law of attraction and techniques, they don't work. Only hard work is the key to success. And I used to think the same as well. When we go to a restaurant, if we don't know what we want to eat and we tell the waiter that get me any dish you want, what will happen? The waiter will get us something which he thinks is right for us, and we may or we may not like it. Same goes if you go to a tailor and you tell him stitch me any dress you like. Yeah, so what he will do, he will stitch something which he thinks is right for us, and we may not like it. Yeah, and then we will say that, oh, this tailor does not know how to stitch a nice dress, or we can say that, oh, this restaurant is not good enough. The problem is not in them. The problem is that we have not set the clear intention, we have not set the clear desire. Same goes with us as well. When we set a clear intention, we set our clear goal, that this is what I want, and I tell the universe that these are the things which I want in my life, and then I take actions on that, then the universe will definitely deliver the exact same things. So here comes a very important point, that setting clear intentions, clear goals is the key to success. So have you set your clear goals and intentions for 2023? Do you even know that what do you want in your life? Most of people, they just say that, oh, I just want happiness, but they don't define it, that from where they want the happiness. Whether is it from relationship, whether it's from career, money, wealth, or health aspect of your life. So in order to set the clear goals for the new year 2023, we need to know that which area of our life we want that goal to be achieved. So pick up one area in your life. For example, if it's your wealth area in your life, pick up that area and write your goals. Write all the goals in the wealth section of your life. Then write that why you want those goals to be achieved, and then write how you will feel when you will achieve those goals. So make clear intention, then the reasons why you want it, and how it will make you feel. And then the second step is embody those goals. Choose 1 to 3 goals at most, and then feel as if you have achieved. So choose your top 3 goals, and then feel as if you have already achieved those goals. And every day start visualizing what you have written as your goals. Say it is as your affirmations, visualize it, and do scripting for those goals. And if any action is coming into your mind, then take those small baby steps towards that action. Take that inspired action. When you feel like you have to take some small action, take that inspired action. The key in achieving your goals is clarity. So bring that clarity in your mind. I'm hosting a 1-hour session for new year in making your desires and goals, and visualizing them, and how I will show you the path how to achieve them. If you're interested, kindly join this session, and you will learn a lot of new things, and you will get so much of clarity that how you are going to achieve all your goals in your life.